Tesla has been focusing on casting technologies in order to build greater elements of its vehicles in larger sections over the last few years. Tesla intends to employ two massive single castings for the front and rear underbody portions, which will be connected to a battery pack that will be integrated into the body structure. This innovation saves weight and makes car assembly much easier. For today's video, we will discover how Tesla is discreetly creating a trillion-dollar weapon in the shape of a gigapress. First, if this is your first visit at our Smart Stocks Academy channel, let me welcome you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell next to it to be the first to know when we have a new video. So, if you're ready, let's get to the topic. Tesla made its first effort at mass manufacture of electric vehicles in 2017. The Tesla Model 3 was the focus of the company's new direction. Surprisingly, Musk and his crew were quiet about their latest technology experiments. There was no mention of the intricacies of mass manufacturing procedures. The technology was minimized and then concealed within the car. All of that changed a year later when Steve Monroe, an automotive engineer and consultant, was persuaded by friends and colleagues to take a closer look at the Model 3. He dismantled the Model 3 and compared it to similar BMW and Chevrolet vehicles. His discoveries were shocking as they were enlightening. According to him, the Tesla automobile was well ahead of its time. Although the vehicle's battery technology, powertrain, and electronics were unequaled in the industry, he was dissatisfied with the vehicle's exterior design. This, he believed, was Model 3's primary flaw. It was too big, too complicated, too expensive, and too difficult to make. He offered ideas for Tesla that would improve the vehicle's body while also saving money. He sent Tesla a list of 227 suggested enhancements that would put them ahead of the competition. Tesla may not have issued an official statement in response to Monroe's assertions, but they did follow his advice. Elon Musk has always been known for being open to constructive criticism no matter who it came from. This is what made Tesla one of the world's most successful manufacturing companies. Elon Musk has a plan in place, which he started with the Model Y at the Giga Berlin factory in Germany. Elon Musk, in January 18 of 2021, was quoted saying, "With our large casting machines, we are basically trying to produce full-sized automobiles the same way toy cars are made." This groundbreaking approach to automobile production is divided into two parts. First is a total restyle of all Tesla vehicles, while the second is a significant advancement in battery technology. The new body would be extremely basic. It would be made up of two massive mega castings, one for the front and one for the back. It would also contain a core battery pack structure to support the vehicle's overall structure. In comparison to prior models, this new design would save Tesla 370 parts, lowering the vehicle bulk by 10% and increasing range by 14%. However, that does not make a blunder. Tesla's aim is not on mega casting or innovative Model Y designs. This component, according to Elon Musk, is simple. The difficult element is establishing a productive production system. Tesla's focus is on their Gigafactory and the revolutionary machinery that they are introducing to the automotive sector. The machine in question is the Gigapress. But what exactly is a Gigapress? IDRA, an Italian firm, produces the Gigapress, which is a high-pressure aluminum die casting machine. Tesla has 4 gigafactories across the world, 2 of which are currently under construction. 3 of the machines are in their plant in China, 2 are in California and Berlin, and the machines are fully operational at their facility in Austin, Texas. These gigapresses are bespoke ordered from IDRA and are now one of the world's largest machines. The typical gigapress is the size of a house and can cast incredibly huge components. The gigapress that casts the Model Y's components is a 6,000-ton machine, whereas The one that Tesla plans to employ for their Cybertruck is an 8,000-ton machine. However, the words 6,000 and 8,000 gigapress refer to the pressure used to feed a hot aluminum alloy into molds, not the weight of the presses. This high pressure allows for faster injection and better alloy conformity to the mold. The gigapress weighs between 410 and 430 tons, or between 900,000 and 950,000 pounds. A gigapress has a minute-and-a-half cycle time and can make about 1,000 castings each day. Even with the additional casting of the rear underbody and front sections, the facility in Berlin is expected to have roughly 6 of these machines, ensuring that the production speed is not jeopardized. In reality, 4,000 automobiles may be produced per day, 28,000 per week, and a mind-boggling 1.5 million per year. In order to put things in context, we've only discussed the Model Y at Giga Berlin. While Tesla has received a lot of accolades for its originality and pace, market analysts are concerned about the competition and copycats that the company will definitely confront. The business that owns IDRA, LK Technology, already has 3 sets of 9,000-ton gigapresses, making it the world's largest die casting machine. The irony is that they weren't created for Tesla and can't be produced because they were previously ordered by another customer unrelated to Tesla. This raises an interesting topic. So can anyone use a gigapress machine to place an order? What does this signify for Tesla's intellectual property? People can and have stolen Tesla's design and ideas, but it is not easy to duplicate Musk's and his team's efforts. To begin with, the machine Tesla ordered is a one-of-a-kind machine, designed particularly for Tesla's vehicles. Any other car manufacturer that obtains an exact model would find the device to be completely useless without risking legal repercussions. Tesla hasn't been hesitant about disclosing its patents. They now have a published patent for a multi-directional unibody casting machine. However, Musk has stated that no matter what happens or how information is given, competitors that attempt to imitate Tesla's present invention would always fall far behind. Another challenge, as Sandy has previously mentioned, is that older automakers is too entrenched in their methods to make the kind of drastic adjustments that Tesla does. However, given the tumultuous intelligence relationship that American corporations have had with China, and the fact that Tesla has a factory in the country, it is safe to suppose that some Chinese automakers will eventually catch on. Now this raises a new question. Why hasn't Tesla bought IDRA already? They wouldn't have to worry about competition then, because if they did that, they wouldn't be making gigapresses for profit. LK, the parent company, is also listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange for 13 billion Hong Kong dollars, or just over $1 billion US. This is one deal that would be a piece of cake for Tesla. Tesla has enough cash on hand to buy the company outright, so why hasn't it done so? The answer lies in vision and inventiveness. The same reason that they haven't bought out IDRA is that they haven't bought out Panasonic, the business with which they collaborate to make their batteries. There is a limit to how many gigapresses Tesla can have. The equipment and the companies who produce them would have no use if Tesla installed them and they were fully functional. Furthermore, the machines are extremely durable, and it is unlikely that they will need to be replaced anytime soon. When you consider how quickly Tesla has grown, it is not a surprise that they will find new ways to build cars that don't require the gigapress. Tesla's industrial robots were cutting edge just a few years ago, but now they are considered a bygone era. Tesla must be adaptable. It is because of their adaptability that they've been able to stay inventive. They would be cutting their legs if they bought a company from which they outsource equipment. It would be preferable for them to build their own gigapress and customize it so that they may continue to work with IDRA while saving money. And this has been done with Panasonic. Last but not the least, Tesla would not buy IDRA because of the clients they would inherit. Many of these clients may not even be in the automotive industry. there are simply too many drawbacks to make the benefits worthwhile. The Gigapress isn't ideal in and of itself, which Tesla is well aware and not afraid to admit. They are machines in and of themselves, and when you consider how many automobile units are dependent on 1 to 8 machines, an entire manufacturing line might be jeopardized if one of them fails. The amount of money spent and time wasted would be primarily determined by how quickly Tesla or IDRA could get it up and running. Another issue with building cars like Tesla's is that accidents can be incredibly expensive. Even a minor collision is priced enough to write off the entire vehicle. While this worry has loomed big in the minds of customers, Sandy Monroe has stated that the Giga casting is resilient enough to resist minor accidents, and that any accident powerful enough to reach the Giga casting would be severe enough to endanger the passengers' lives. Tesla, under the leadership of Elon Musk, has placed a premium on innovation. It is uncommon to see a firm of Tesla's size to retain the kind of flexibility that is usually reserved for startups. Some claim that this is because Tesla is merely a technology business masquerading as a car maker. Others believe that Elon Musk's vision and leadership should be commended. Whatever strategy they are using, it is working, and they're disrupting an industry that hasn't seen this much growth in a long time. Because the Gigapress is fully integrated into Tesla's manufacturing line, don't be shocked if another automaker follows Tesla's lead. And with that, today's video comes to an end. If you haven't already, hit the like button below to show your love and support for this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell next to it to be the first to know when a new video is posted. Thank you for stopping by to watch. We hope you had a great time, and we hope to see you again.